Hi everyone, I'm Ricky Chan. This is my video presentation for Huma1000 essay. Today, I would like to share with you what I planned for my essay. First, let's take a look on what the essay cover about. The first thing to say is that the essay title I have chosen, and I will also mention why I choose this topic and my stance for this topic. Of course, I will also list out some possible argument with example and evidence. Regarding the essay topic, I choose the topic C, which argue that whether the traditional way of reasoning of the Chinese classics hindered the development of science in China. The reason why I choose this topic is that, as we know, ancient China led the trend of technology. Lots of inventions were introduced by China. Some may even say the four great inventions boost the science of Western. As we can see, ancient China had excellent progress in technology. But a question is asked, why did China fail in building its own science and decline in past several countries? In this essay, my stance for this topic is positive. It means that I totally agree with this statement. In this essay, I've generalized the argument into three aspects, which are culture, economic, and religion. First, talk about the culture. As we know, China was a Confucian state. Confucianism has dominated this country for almost 2,000 years. And Confucianism restrained the way of thinking of people deeply. Confucianism emphasized on humanities rather than natural science. It advocated that any keen observation of nature and new ideas should be explained based on human enlightenment. As a result, the curiosity of people in ancient China were not raised. Next, for the economy. Thanks to the peasant culture in ancient China, the economy was not as vast as nowadays. People could make a living by agriculture so that they were not necessary to pay lots of efforts on exploring the properties of nature. For instance, the existence of astronomy just helped farmers to forecast the weather accurately. It still failed to form as a theory systematically. This means science was not independent, but it was just a tool instead. For the last aspect, the religion. The religion in ancient China always promote the relationship between human and nature. It advocates that humans should try not to interrupt the properties of nature. All the things just form by themselves. Humans are not necessary to learn more in theory behind the world. The Buddhism was just one of the examples. Buddhism has been imported into China since Han Dynasty. After the development, it became one of the most influential religions in China. It brought about influence on perspective of Chinese toward Asia. Buddhism promoted human was just a part of nature. It would trigger the conflict between human and nature if human tried to modify the properties of nature. So the scientific research would not encouraged and would be regarded as immoral. This led Chinese away from the interests of science. This is the end of my video presentation. Thanks for watching the video.